996 turbo. We're going to now remove the air box. We started to leave that as a separate entity or complete entity with removing the muffler, but we decided it'd be nice to have it separate because a lot of people will want to put a K&N air filter on their own, and it's a simple job if you know how to do it. Here you go, the tools necessary: flathead screwdriver. This is about 16 inches long. It's about the medium size of a standard screwdriver. And we're also going to use a 13 millimeter on a 12-inch extension. That's to remove the main bolt. And we're going to get started on it. Here we go. I'm going to start the screw side. Shannon's going to remove the bolt. We're going to make this a quickie. When we get this all the way out, I'll show you what we're poking at down here. It'll make more sense. It's a lot easier to tell once that's done. This is the connector for the mass airflow sensor, which comes out with the air box. Twist it 90 degrees to get it out of this over here. There's where the connector came off of. The wire actually runs up and through this holder. That's what I was popping apart with the screwdriver. And that's a very important part of it. And then the connector simply plugs in here. When you do get that off, make sure you cover that opening. You don't want to be sucking any birds or small children in there. Thank you.